Hey everybody, Kevin Mangum here, and today I'm going to walk you through how to download, install, and run a scan when you get Malwarebytes from my affiliate link. All right. So once you're on the best tech stuff, one pager page, pretty much what you're going to do is you're going to look at resource number one. You're going to click on Malwarebytes. All right. It's going to take you to the checkout, the cart, and once you place your order, you're going to get the confirmation of the order sent to your email. And it's going to include your license key with your purchase. So you make the purchase, you go to your email, get that. You're going to click the download button once that page comes up from the email you got, and it's going to download the file. Then you're going to click the executable file that's been downloaded and select install. And in this case, select the personal option. And also I selected where, you can add the browser add-on as well, and that really comes in handy. But you can also opt out of that. All right, looks like it's about to finish up installing. And this is one of the best protection software that I've used over the years. Now that it's been installed successfully, you can click done. All right, now, so the initial window opens up and it's going to give you the option to buy now, but you've already purchased. So you notice when I click on it, it's going to give you different purchase options, but we're going to exit out of that. That appears on your screen. And then next, what we're going to do from here is we're going to go ahead and activate the license. Okay. Now, if you already have a Malwarebytes account, um, then you can log in and complete the registration that way. Or you can just simply go to your email, get the license ID that was sent out after your purchase. You can enter it from here. So I currently already have um, a Malwarebytes account, and I was going to use the option of logging in, but instead, just going to go ahead and enter the license key that I copied and pasted from my email. Then we're just going to go ahead and click activate, and from there, it's gonna be activated and protecting your account. Now I'm going to walk you through how to do a scan. So you click on the scan button, and the first thing it's going to do is it's going to check for updates when you run a scan with Malwarebytes. So now you can see it scanning the memory. And, it really depends. Sometimes this can take a few minutes. Sometimes this process is short, sometimes it depends on the speed of your computer. All right, now it's scanning startup items. All right, it's scanning the registry. Now it's scanning the system. This may take a little bit longer because it's scanning your hard drive completely. This also is available for Windows, PC computers, Mac computers. So just make sure when you make your purchase that you select the correct operating system. I just wanted you to be able to witness the process, just in case I received any detections or any warnings, or looks like so far I got 0 detections. Okay, looks like it's finished, and then it gives you a threat scan summary. Looks like at this time, no malware was detected. And you can also view a report of what happened and click on view report. Gives you a little information about your computer. And then you can also export the file, export the information in the form of a text file and save it. If you want to, it's totally up to you, just for your records. All right, and that's it. So thank you for joining me today. And, if you have any questions, just let me know. This is Kevin at Ask Kevin Tech Stuff, and have a great day. Take care.